Thanks, Mark. As previously described, the NextGen IT initiative led us to evaluate our IT job classifications, our current IT skills inventory, future business application needs, and the organizational structures needed in our departments to better deliver IT solutions. When we evaluated these needs in aggregate, we knew we had to consider a more consolidated model. We could not afford the price tag of staffing to unique agency needs across 23 executive branch agencies. A core team began to evaluate various organizational models and the pros and cons. We created 4 business domains grouped by similar department business needs. For example, the Health and Social Services business domain supports the IT needs for our health and social services related agencies. So in a phased approach, we began transferring all of the IT positions within the executive branch agencies to STS. Within each domain, we are providing 7 key strategic resources that are shared across the agencies in that domain. Each domain has a business domain director, a business solutions architect, a data scientist, senior project director, senior project manager, senior business analyst, and a domain security officer. We believe these are the critical experienced resources to help us do better strategic planning, solutions design, leverage our data to make better business decisions, and resources to help improve our solution implementations. Also critical to these shared resources is implementing a portfolio management discipline. We have implemented an enterprise portfolio management tool to enable us to capture and manage our IT work portfolio, our resource portfolio, projects, and applications. By capturing how we spend our time, we have better information about our costs and can better plan priorities in planning towards replacement of legacy applications. We have completed Phase 1, which including transitioning the IT staff of 17 agencies, representing almost 400 IT staff. Phase 2 will be completed in July, where we will add 2 of our large health and social services agencies. 4 additional agencies will transition in Phase 3 to begin in January of 2018. We believe this consolidated model is the best way for us to improve customer service, improve our IT solutions implementations, and maintain key IT talent into the future. Some of the benefits of this consolidated organizational model that we've seen to date are improved project delivery results, increased collaboration across the agencies, opportunities for further consolidation by pooling of like resources, and reduction of headcount through vacancies and attrition. We've improved our strategic planning process and have improved business and IT communications through the implementation of Business Domain Management Advisory Committees, or BDMACs. These BDMACs are made up of several key agency business leadership and the domain resources. We meet regularly to review priorities, share resources and spend information, and discuss future application needs, as well as opportunities for more enterprise or shared solutions. So I'd like for our team to give you a few specific, more tangible examples of key solutions delivery that are making a difference here in Tennessee right now.
One example area of where our shared resources and new expertise has really made a difference is business intelligence. Our enterprise and domain resources, such as our data scientists and business analysts, have worked tirelessly with our enterprise shared solutions team to turn our EIT department's data into functional, visual dashboards. Looking at raw data can often be overwhelming, but once that data is combined into an interactive display, users typically get much more out of that information. So, with this in mind, our team has been creating dashboards nonstop, both for specific departments and for our state enterprise as a whole. Take this one for example. Here you see a Tableau dashboard that our STS team designed to help the Department of Economic and Community Development visualize their key performance metrics regarding economic grants, such as the number of jobs they've created and the monies for rural development. And this is just one of the many dashboards that ECD is now using to deliver real-time metrics reporting. Our dashboards have improved awareness of program effectiveness and enabled leaders to make more informed decisions regarding resources, investments, and approaches. We also use Tableau to develop a fiscal dashboard that can be used enterprise-wide. This dashboard breaks down a department's expenses and revenues by program. The data can be filtered by year, month, specific program, or all programs. Users can view overall expenses and revenues at a glance, as well as month-over-month expenses and revenue changes. Users also have the ability to drill further down into expenses by breaking down a specific area's accounts to a very granular level to ensure that everything is hitting the right bucket. This tool has been very valuable to our administration department. Additionally, we are able to leverage the EIT economies of scale model and acquire tools and licenses at bulk enterprise prices rather than the more expensive scaled down versions for each department. You know what they say, it's always cheaper by the dozen. An example of this EIT economies of scale model was identifying the opportunity to procure one technology solution for 8 departments instead of each department spending their time and effort on individual procurements. We became aware that several departments were working individually on requirements and procurements for an emergency notification system, as many of our departments require the ability to send mass emergency messages via phone call, text message, or email. So, by pooling our collective demand, we were able to negotiate significantly reduced pricing with the vendor in order to provide their solution to multiple departments. In fact, one department was quoted an individual pricing of at least 10 times greater than the enterprise pricing that we are able to offer now. This enterprise tool will enable departments to send emergency notices to their employees as well as text message campaigns to citizens, all at the fraction of a price than they previously would have been able to.
So as you can see, our EIT project has allowed us to do more by leveraging shared enterprise resources. This new approach is allowing us to continue our legacy operations and maintenance while using our shared expertise to develop new innovative solutions here at STS. In fact, one of the projects I am most excited about is citizen-centric government. In this next section, you'll be able to see a short clip that explains the citizen-centric project at a high level.